Hi everybody, David Dilling here on behalf of Markzware. Today we have some very exciting information and really news to share with you. In our pre-release version of our SaaS portal, MarkzPortal, there's now free pre-flight reports based on Markzware's flight check available to anybody that signs up, and it's completely free. Sign up is free, the pre-flight report is free, the file inventory report is free. Okay, file conversion, that'll cost you a little bit, but check out the pre-flight reports. Let's go check it out now on my computer screen here. So here we are in MarkzPortal over on markzportal.markzware.com. All you have to do is drag a file on there. It doesn't matter what type of file, whether it's PDF or Photoshop native, Illustrator, QuarkXPress, or an InDesign file like you see here. We get a nice little preview of the file. This preview is based on how the conversion will actually look, although it's not always 100% accurate. So be aware there. This is all natively created by our engine. It's completely standalone. You don't need to have any download here. It's a completely standalone engine. You don't need InDesign even open in this case, or Quark or Photoshop, Illustrator, Microsoft Publisher, whatever it is. So there's a little preview, and we get conversion options over here. We should do it to pay a little bit for, with very affordable subscriptions possible. But the pre-flight, oh, by the way, that's Ron Crandall. That's the co-founder of Markzware, our chief engineer. He's also an excellent guitarist, classical guitar player. Anyway, back to the video here. So you just click over here, pre-flight report or inventory report, and you just click the format you want your report in, like JSON if you want to use in automated workflows or RTF, etc. And we're just going to choose HTML now. We're going to hit report, and you hit that download. And look at that. You get a full pre-flight report on your file right here in Chrome. So we see the missing images, we see stuff's been scaled. Oh, and look at that. We see some of our images are actually AI generated. That's a new pre-flight check and flight check. You can check it out on the desktop version over on markzware.com/products/flight check, where you can just drop it on the report here in MarkzPortal, and you get to see that the file is using actual images created with the AI. Very good to know for a lot of people. Not everyone wants to print AI created images. That's how easy it is to create a full pre-flight report over on markzportal.markzware.com. Check it out today. One last thing, just show you how the inventory report works. We'll take a different file. So what we'll take here is a PDF, a Canva PDF in this case, can be any PDF. Here you see the preview of the file once again, and we can now, instead of pre-flight, we can choose inventory and click report. Now we get a full inventory report on the file as well. So that's without necessarily pre-flight errors, just telling you what's everything in the file. Very, very wise to do before you do anything is do a file inventory report, then touch the file. Run a pre-flight report to see what the potential problems are before you start putting it in your workflow. So those are your tips today. If you want rules-based pre-flighting, download Flight Check today over on markzware.com like we discussed. This SaaS portal is in pre-release. It doesn't yet have rules-based pre-flighting, but it will soon. So keep an eye, sign up today. It's totally free. Thank you once again for watching. David Dilling from Markzware wishing you a fantastic day. Take care.